Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Ringke for the iPhone 15 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your iPhone 15 Pro. This time I will be reviewing the Fusion X from Ringke for the 15 Pro. Ringke makes some of my favorite cases, and this Fusion X is one of my favorite cases that I use on all types of different phones. I need to give a shout out to them for actually sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do my case reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get, the lip action around the front? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. It says live a better day, eco packaging. Now this one is black. I think they have like a camo one and different colors you can get on Amazon also. I do love the Fusion X cases. Let's see what you get in here. You get some installation guide and then also 20% off accessories. They make some cool watch cases too. And I have a screen protector that I will be reviewing later on from Ringke. And here is the case. It does have, it will show off the beauty of your device. I noticed one thing, as soon as I grabbed it, it has like this material right here to grip. So that will give it a little bit more grip than a normal case. I like that. Let's see how this thing fits. Look at that blue. The blue and black goes well. Look at that. Everything lines up well. No microphone at the top. Let's say the power button is great. Easy to press. I do love how they have it ridged too. And they have a little like FX brand in there too. And you have the same grip pattern up here. So the power button is great. The Vine rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile. My screen is super bright. Look, I don't even know how to operate this thing yet. You have the little action button, which is also ridged right there. So if I press it and hold it, it brings up X. I do like that. Look how much corner protection you get from these cases too. And you get the camera protection you look for. Look at the precise cutouts too. So you do have camera protection. You also have the lip action all at the top and the bottom, which is not bad. I like that. Let's see the overall fit. Nice and pretty snug. The bottom is a little loose around the cutouts, but there's a lot going on there. It won't fall apart. The sides, I mean, they're a little loose, but not too bad. I mean, it comes back pretty good. How easy is it to get off? Now look, let me turn this off. It takes some work to get the case off of that, so that's good. So if you drop it, it's going to stay in the case and not just pop out. Does it add bulk? No, it does not. This is not a heavy case. Doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. Look at the corner. Look at the view there. So you can see the side profile there. No, I mean, it's not really adding bulk to it at all. The corners do, I mean, a little bit, but again, that's for that drop protection. And then look at the back. It shows off the beauty of your phone. It will attract fingerprints though, but you just wipe it off. Can you wireless charge? What y'all think? I don't think you'll have a problem. You can wireless charge without any issues there. You can see it's wireless charging. So this is the Ringke Fusion X. Let's go over it really quick. The buttons are great, nice and tactile. You do get camera lip action around the case there. You also have that camera protection. doesn't add bulk. Everything lines up. It fits really well. So if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.